Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I didn't really mean to make a part 4, but I started thinking about it when that other video was loading. I always do stuff for a laser engraver. You could do this for a printer just as equally as good and kind of have fun with it. So if you didn't watch the other parts, you need to watch them. We're gonna make our blacks red. I'm just grabbing some red. I'm gonna make the inside yellow. And what happens is these other two parts stop the yellow. So we could go there with a little bit of yellow, and you can see it kind of looks like it's a burnt orange on the ends now. Now, if we take this and go up to edit and clone it, and then take that clone and mirror it the other direction, and then grab that point right there and go right there. No, we actually need to put it here, don't we? Now, make another duplicate and mirror it and put it there. And because that one's a clone, we just keep going. You almost have to keep alternating for the clone tool to do this trick, instead of like grouping them all and making them all the same. And you don't have to grab the edge. You can actually grab the, make it go to the midpoint. So we want that, well, this isn't a good example. Yeah, it'd probably be easier just to stay on the edge. Now, what is so good about the clone tool, if you wanted to see what this is gonna look like and change the colors, you could grab the interactive fill tool. This is our clone, our control curve. And we could make this outside green, and see it's doing it all to all of them because it's a clone. I don't really like that, but maybe we can add a little purple. Sometimes you can't grab that one, so it's almost easier to zoom in. Get that, and then let's put that little bit of purple down the middle. So you get a total different look, and it's changed them all. And you kind of look at what it's gonna look like in real time. And then you could group these together and move these over. I didn't control D evidently. Just grab that point right there and go to that point. Not a very good pattern, but a little bit different. I don't think the clone tool will keep working on all of them, but we can try it. Let's put a blue in there. Yeah. Once you've kind of grouped it together, it just won't work. Let's zoom in here and do it one more time. I don't think that's perfect. I got too many things going on now. Let's add a blue to the middle. Well, it did. Let's change the outside to a blue. Yeah, I've got too many. The clone tool will not keep working. Well, there it is, but it's only going to do it on that first clone. So you need to kind of build your first line and then kind of see what it looks like. I hope that helped just a little bit.